Hello friends, in this video we will replace the brake discs. For this, first disassemble the brake calipers. They are attached here with two bolts, and twist them and remove the caliper. Then we unscrew the bolt on the brake discs and remove the discs. If you don't have this bolt, nothing will come off it. The better will be if we find a bolt and screw it into the place. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Then remove caliper to the side so as not to damage the brake hose. Friends, then we check the brake disc for wear. If the thickness of the disc is minimal, then we will need to be replaced. That's all guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put like and put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.